30,000 students worldwide. As an IEE impact creator and a cloud support engineer at Amazon Web Services, he merges passion with profession. Today, we are honored to have him share insights that have transformed learners across continents. Please.
Okay, good morning everyone. मजा नहीं आया। How was the jobs? यहाँ टीचर की आवाज आ रही, स्टूडेंट्स की आवाज आ रही। How was the jobs? थोड़ा सा और। How was the jobs? अच्छी बात। Awesome. Thank you so much to Pandey sir, Shalini ma'am, and everyone from HMR IT Management to organize such wonderful alumni meet. I remember Feb 2020, March 2017. That was the lockdown time. Before that, we joined here back in the college. I remember the first day, 3rd August 2015. I was sitting there in the last, and there was a motivational speaker came into our college for our, I think, orientation for the new students, and Manoj sir from Pune and Manoj Ambike. And he mentioned that, tell me the answer to this question, which student would be more happy who has scored 60% in his 12th class and got the admission, or the person who has scored 90% and got into the college? Answer from you guys? Come number में HMR में admission हो गया sir? Everyone shouting, sir 90% वाला 90% वाला, all the auditorium was full. हम तो बाहर से arrange कर रहे थे chairs का ताकि इतना हाउसफुल था हमारा first day 3rd August 2015. Then मेरे को पता नहीं क्या हुआ मेरी legs, like I started shivering, my legs and everything got shake. And मैंने अपना हाथ ऊपर उठाया, मैंने कहा sir 60% वाला. Everyone shouting 90%, मैंने कहा 60%, मेरे को पता नहीं मेरे को क्या हुआ. Then he's like, ठीक है, okay, Ramik, you have started the answer. So he came, tuck, 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 tuck. He was going there and my heartbeat was increasing. That was me, 2015, my first semester, my first day in the college. And then I said, sir, 60% वाला इसलिए because he got another opportunity to score 90% in his first year. And everyone clapped so much. That was the first day that my public speaking started booming. And to all the teachers, to all the faculties who were part of my batch 2015, I'm able to recall a couple of old faculties there, but new ones are very new to me. But yeah, that was pretty much about my first day in HMR ITM. Then I think I had a talk and specific one-on-one interview for admission with Inamdar sir on the first day itself. Then he was mentioning about this, and he also mentioned in the auditorium as well. And this I repeat in every session. And thanks for the introduction. What was your good name?
Yash Kapoor.
Yes, thank you for the introduction. Legal correction in the numbers. I've been into industry for last 6+ years, and I'm an IEEE member for last 9+ years. Amin Huda sir joined us recently in ICMAC. I was able to see the pics from Woman status and everyone's status. What's up? Now, moving forward, like the life started when in second year I actually joined IEEE and I started IEEE branch in HMR ITM. The computers which you see in the library, do you see libraries? Teacher जो अभी current students, library में है ना computers. Those are the computers where chemistry assistant used to sit and read newspaper. I'm like, something need to be changed here. Let's try to make a software. Let's try to synchronize all the books and all the numbers into a software. And that was my first semester. And I went to the library sir because that was my kind of first week in my college. And I was there in the library to get the library card. Simply we do that, right? To get the library card in the first week of the college. I went, I wasted my 80 minutes, 2 periods. I wasted my 2 periods standing in the long queue in the library. I'm like, yaar, ye aisa nahi chalega. I need to change something. So you have to understand how to create opportunity for yourself, and that has been my true mantra for whole my college life. I went to librarian sir. सर सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है क्या जहाँ पे रोल नंबर डाल दूं और अपना लाइब्रेरी कार्ड डिजिटल आ जाए सब कुछ हो जाए मैंने लाइक नहीं है रमनिक मैंने कहा ठीक है सर मेरे को मैं बना देता हूँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इज लाइक हाउ यू कैन डू दैट मैंने कहा सर जावा आती है माइस्क्ल आती है स्कूल जैसे सीख ली थी और फिर मैं गया अपने एचओडी सर के पास कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट उस समय मोहम्मद इजाज सर थे हमारे एचओडी एंड देन आई टॉक विद हिम सर ऐसे ऐसे मेरा आइडिया है एंड ही वाज शॉक्ड कि जावा तो 3rd ईयर के सिलेबस में How you know about Java? मैं कहा सर स्कूल वाले से गाइड बेसिकली So why not we can build a software for our own college? And then I pitched into the librarian sir, HOD sir, sir ने कहा सर अभी 3 बजे हैं 4 बजे छुट्टी हो जाएगी. You have the system, you have the NetBeans installed, Java installed. Give me the UI. I developed the UI within 1 hour. I went to Pandey sir, Shalini ma'am, and we discussed about that idea. It was all about my idea, and it got approved. And for the whole 6 months for my first semester, I worked on the software and developed HMR ITM library software. So that was one part. Now, along with that, now that's where the stone you have to keep for your own opportunity. अब घुस तो गए हैं सर बीटेक में क्या करें पीयर प्रेशर की वजह से नहीं गर्ल्स माइंड भी वंडरिंग अरे सर आना ही था बीटेक में काम घुसा दिया मैंने सो दैट्स द थिंग राइट अब घुस गए हो तो अब तो तुम्हारी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है अब तो पैसा दे रहे हो वाईपी को नहीं दे रहे एडमिशन फी दे रहे हो ना इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर अपॉर्चुनिटी इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर करेज हाउ यू कैन कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू वैल्यूएबल एसेट्स एंड दैट्स वेयर when HMR ITM library software was developed every single faculty and student across the college got to learn अरे कोई नया चूजा आया फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में उसने लाइब्रेरी के सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया and he is doing a lot of software development I'm like that's me and in third year I got a call from Avdesh sir Feb 2018 my sessional examination was going on I was in the first floor हमारा एग्जाम चल रहा था सेशनल का and electronics department was on the top floor third floor Avdesh sir called me sir Ramli, you come after your exam is done. You come. I need to make you to talk to someone. I went, and then he's like, उन्होंने फोन पकड़ा है मैंने कहा सर फोन तो दे रहे हो मेरे को बता दो तो कौन है ताकि मैं उस रिस्पेक्ट से उनसे बात करूं वो कहते he is the director of All India Radio you know All India Radio AIR FM good so I was talking with the director of engineering department of AIR which was actually used to be in the front of our एंट्रेंस जो हाईवे पे है उसके सामने ऑफिस हुआ करता था एआईआर का नाउ इट हैज शिफ्टेड टू न्यू दिल्ली सो उसके बाद आई टॉक टू हिम विजय कुमार ब्लेजर सर आई स्टिल रिमेंबर ऑल द थिंग्स बिकॉज़ दीस आर द थिंग्स व्हिच यू एक्चुअली कीप योरसेल्फ विद योर पोर्टफोलियो एंड दैट एक्चुअली मेक्स यू यूनिक इन द क्राउड दैट एक्चुअली मेक्स यू यूनिक इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड यू वोंट बिलीव because of that public speaking because of those old projects when I talked to the director he was like Ramnik I need a volunteer who can develop a software for our accounts department I'm like sir आप तो AIR हो तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हो आपके पास सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है क्या कहते नहीं रमनिक हमारे पास एक्सेल शीट्स हैं हम उसी में मेंटेन करते हैं सैलरी और स्टॉक और वो सब कुछ मैंने कहा ठीक है सर बना दे कोई इशू नहीं है मैं फर्स्ट ईयर मैं आई थिंक आई वाज इन माय 6th सेमेस्टर और समथिंग थर्ड ईयर में था एंड आई ड्रू माय वैगनर इनटू द AIR ऑफिस गार्ड ने मेरे को रोका बच्चा समझ के अरे कहाँ जा रहा है अंदर मैंने डायरेक्टर सर को फोन घुमाया मैंने कहा सर ये मेरे को रोक रहे हैं then I took my Wagner inside the AIR campus and I sat with him at the sofa in the AIR office itself and then I had a talk with the accounts officer to get the software requirements and all those things so you have to understand the main point is you will get opportunities in life but you have to understand how to create opportunity for yourself that call from Avdesh sir only happened because I developed the library software in my first semester. And since then, June 2019, that was the farewell of IEEE HMR ITM when we had it here in this auditorium. I remember the challenges I used to do for booking the room, getting the mics and all the stuff. You might have done today as well for the arrangement. So those are the things which I always used to do as well. And with that, things moving on, COVID happened unfortunately. But it was a fortunate moment for me because I got exposed to 21 plus countries during COVID time. I gave a lot of virtual sessions to students, faculties, professionals, and I keep doing that on my weekends as well. Today was working for me, and then I thought, yeah, HMR ITM में तो जाना बनता है because I need to interact with the current students who are right now in the college to make them understand what industry want. I took a swap. Tomorrow is my working. Tomorrow was not actually for working, so I took a swap for today, and today is my off thereby. And with that, I think that was whole life of HMR ITM where I learned how to document very well. I got a lot of learning from everyone who is sitting here, from my batch time, all the faculties. They made me learn so much that हमने तू कितना भी technical हो जा, documentation जब तक नहीं करेगा, तेरे पास proof नहीं है. And since first semester I started to doing that. Tech Expo अभी भी होता है sir. Tech Expo was one of the wonderful technical program competition which I used to participate every semester. Every semester we used to participate, display projects and all those things. To the current students, can you raise your hand who are right now in the college? All good. Awesome. So the only tendency if you want to get into masters, PhD and all the stuff, right? In case you want to do higher study, you want to start your own company, or you want to get into industry, private, public. Every single company or every single place wherever you're going to do after BTech, there's only one requirement which is very much important on the top other than technical. Can anyone tell me what is it? Communication. That's all. In case you can't communicate well, how much technical strong you can be, your idea is just waste of time for the client. First year, second semester, Tech Expo, January or something around that time, 2015 or 2016. And I remember ma'am came, Pandey ma'am came, and everyone faculty came to judge my project in computer lab. The software was attendance marking system using biometric machine. You won't believe, there was a topper in my class and he developed a chat system for college students and faculties. कि मतलब आप college की Wi-Fi से connect करो, you can chat with faculties and students anywhere in the Wi-Fi network of college. He developed that. I developed a normal attendance system, biometric लगाएंगे, fingerprint डालो और अंदर घुस जाओ. That was my system. My idea was kind of, ये मैंने अभी secret reveal नहीं करा, आज मैं कर रहा हूँ. I won't give my first prize back. So I actually completed my project only for 30 to 40%. That's all. Every single faculty who came to my stall for the project display, they all were happy. अरे ये ऐसे हो सकता है, ऐसे हो सकता है. टाइम टेबल भी ऑटोमेट कर दिया, क्या बात है. और जो मेरा साथ में जो टॉपर क्लासमेट था, he has developed 100% technical project without any UI. अब मुझे बताओ, दिखावा जो है सॉफ्टवेयर में, UI जो है, that would be more valuable rather than what you have done technically. Plus, he was not communicating well. वो बस ये बोलता था, अरे हमने मैम ये मल्टी थ्रेडिंग कर दिया, ये जावा कर दिया. अरे वो अप्लाइड फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट के, तुझे क्या समझ आया, उनको क्या समझ आएगा, तो मल्टी थ्रेडिंग बोल रहा है उनको, right? The way only thing is every single thing. Now I'm a cloud support engineer at Amazon Web Services. We talk to customers day in day out using email, chats, and phone every single day. We help them out on the AWS services, technical troubleshooting. If you don't know how to speak well, the customer won't be able to understand what you're conveying. Simple. So technically, होना अच्छी बात है, लेकिन उससे ऊपर communication, how you well present yourself in front of the customer, that's very much important. And please mind me, जो आपके दिमाग में अभी perception चल रहे हैं, अरे सर प्लेसमेंट में जाना है, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम कर लेंगे. किस किस के दिमाग में सर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर करके हम सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट में चले जाएंगे. डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इज जस्ट अ मिथ. फर्स्ट थिंग, इज जस्ट अ बेसिक. मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इज एट द मोस्ट यू वोंट नीड. दैट इज द बेसिक. वो तो पता होना ही चाहिए. अब तो बहुत कुछ आ चुका है. GenAI, you already know how the things are rolling out. 2022 Feb, when it was starting to roll out in the market, things have changed a lot. I used to get a lot of general queries from customers when GenAI came, Amazon Q. All the general cases were away from my dashboard. Now we are sitting idle. What will happen in a couple of months? My director will say, sorry Ramnik, GenAI has replaced you. Please move on to get a AI certification and then we will get you an AI job. That's the right now trend going on in industry. The only advice I would like to give you, I was communicating with Manish. Manish ने अपनी engineering छोड़ दी है. Going into a management line now. So the only fact and the advice I would like to give you, do what you love. That's all. Because BTech कर ली, engineering कर ली, degree के नाम पे bachelor मिल गई, उसके बाद क्या करना? That is what you have to decide from your first semester itself. I'll give you a couple of examples like Prajwal NH. He's a 12th class student from Bangalore, Karnataka. And right now I just helped him out to connect with the IEEE student branches in US to do his bachelor's. He is a national awardee by Narendra Modi sir. He is a young innovator by Microsoft. He has connected with Satya Nadella for various times. He has completed all Microsoft Azure cloud certification in his 8th class. Right now he is in 12th class. He has already started his own business called as Cloud Attack, a Candy Crush type of game where he has put up all the cloud curriculum together into that gamification. He has started his own business in 8th to 9th class. Just imagine. These are the things we have to learn from. जब स्कूल स्टूडेंट इतना कर रहे हैं, you are the college students here. You have to think what's happening in the industry. You have to understand what are the things and trending things from the industry, what's going on. The only motive of me coming today was only when I talked with Panda ma'am, and I was only talking with her that ma'am, I need to talk with the current students to make them understand what's happening in the industry. Because you guys are not aware about what's going on. How many of you are aware about meetup.com? How many of you are aware about meetup.com? There you go. How many of you have LinkedIn profile? How many of you are actively updating LinkedIn profile? The percentage goes down. That's the thing. Back. That's the only thing. When you don't know about the community activities which are happening around you, you guys are in Delhi, take full benefit. I am from Sonipat, Haryana. I can travel daily 1.5 hours to Delhi to attend these sessions in Microsoft Office, Google and Amazon offices. These people are doing those things. Take benefit and connect with them. Sounds good? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sounds good? Yes or no?
Yes.
अभी समोसा खिलाया इतना बढ़िया, थोड़ी सी एनर्जी लाओ, ब्रेकफास्ट करके आए हो तुम? घर से तो आए हो गए, कॉलेज का नाम बदलना कितना? घर से तो खा के आए हो, घर से मना कर दिया मम्मी पापा ने।
अगर हमारे से खिला दें कोई नहीं।
हम खिला दें, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। Perfect. With that, thank you so much for inviting. It was really lovely catching up with all of you. मैंने ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट कर दी है. Lot of students were saying, sir, आप इतनी cities countries जाते हो, ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करो सर, हमें भी घुमाओ थोड़ा सा इंडोनेशिया, इजिप्ट and all those things. And then I was like, यार आता तो नहीं है, but सीख लेंगे. Now I've learned it. So yeah, what do you have to do then next?
चैनल प्रमोट कर दो।
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Like, share, subscribe.
Just Google me. My name is Ramnik Kalra. You will Google me and you will get my website and YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe me. Check out my Indonesian. I was in Indonesia from 10th to 15th January. I was mentoring Indonesian students for their agriculture project from IEEE Ethics. And I was glad to meet with the Ministry of Agriculture and Foreign Affairs of Indonesia that in Jakarta. And we went to the mountains of Yogyakarta, one of the mountains which is very active volcano, Mount Merapi. We were hosting the event near to that. I was mentoring them for whole 2024. So once you graduate, you don't, like while in the college and schools, you don't get opportunity with talking with industrialists. Once you become industrialists, please try to understand, as an industrialist, you have responsibility to share back to your students. And that's why we are here. मेरे बैच के तो आए नहीं, because they all are outside India now. They have moved for masters and PhD now. They have been placed into companies there itself. हमारे IEEE branch, I can see Tanya and Manish is there. I can see a couple of people as well. So good to reconnect, and I hope we will have a networking round as well. Networking time, we will have networking. We will talk much. We will connect, and please try to increase your diversity content as much as you can. Diversity content means try to exchange LinkedIn, phone numbers and all those things, so that it can be beneficial for you guys moving forward. With that, thank you very much. Over to you.